In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter template in Outlook. Whether you're reaching out to customers or keeping colleagues informed, having a well-designed newsletter template can save you time and ensure consistency. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your Outlook application. Once you're there, find and click on New Email. This will be our workspace where we'll begin designing your newsletter. Imagine this blank email as a canvas, and let's start with adding some brand elements. Now, to give your newsletter a recognizable face, start by inserting your company logo at the top. This helps in brand recall and makes the newsletter look professional. Next, think about your headings. These could include titles like monthly updates, announcements, upcoming events, or special promotions. Clearly outlined sections will guide your reader smoothly through the content. Don't forget to enhance the visual appeal by including relevant images. These not only break up the text, but also engage the reader's interest. To make your newsletters more interactive, incorporate links to your website, social media pages, or important documents. Engaging with your audience digitally can drive traffic and boost engagement. In any newsletter, the contact information is vital. Make sure to input this so your readers know how to reach you. To add a final touch of professionalism, include your email signature at the bottom. As you design, think of your layout. A simple and effective example could start with your company logo at the top, followed by your primary header, say monthly newsletter. Then, section it off with bullet points like updates, announcements, and promotions. Don't forget to make good use of tables to organize information neatly. You can play around with colors and formatting to ensure that the newsletter reflects your brand's identity. Remember, colors not only help in distinguishing sections, but they also make your newsletter lively and appealing. Once your design is completed to your satisfaction, it's time to save it as a template. This will allow you to use it repeatedly without starting from scratch. Head to the File menu and choose the Save As option. In the Save As type field, select Outlook Template, denoted as BOT. Name your template something memorable and save it. You'll likely want to use this template at a later date. To do this, open Outlook and navigate to the Home tab. Click on New Items, go over to More Items, and then select Choose Form. Here in the drop-down menu, select User Templates and File System. You'll see your saved template. Simply select it, and your previously designed newsletter template is ready to use, just like that. With these steps, you now have a reusable newsletter template tailored to your needs. Feel free to make adjustments as you go, adapting it to fit various occasions or audiences. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the efficiency this template brings to your newsletter creation process.